Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's February 22nd, 2012. It's Wednesday morning. Not a lot of news to talk about here this morning, but we've had some action yesterday, and I think markets are taking a little breather here, at least overnight. Grain markets are a little lower in a quiet session, still within yesterday's ranges, and just some profit taking, and some of the selling may be coming off of economic news coming out of China and Europe. The Chinese did release some export sales numbers that showed their export sales for January was well below a year ago. February sales numbers are not very good as well, and a lot of this is believed because of the economic and financial crisis that Europe is having at this point in time. There is some news coming out of the Global Grain Conference in Singapore. Dow Jones is reporting that Japan says that they are buying 1.8 million tons of corn. We don't know exactly what country it's coming from yet. They bought a lot of corn here earlier from Europe, Russia, and most of it came from Ukraine. Now, Ukraine is struggling to get as much as 400,000 tons yet shipped out of their ports because of the extreme winter weather conditions that they're having. So it looks like Japan may come to the U.S. and buy some corn for this April through June time frame. The USDA will be releasing the export sales numbers on Friday morning because of the holiday on Monday. That'll be coming out at 7:30. And Rich Nelson in our office here has talked to the guys at USDA directly, and they say that they will be releasing their presentations for the Outlook Forum on Friday morning at 8 o'clock for the grains and livestock. So that will be a time where traders are going to be focusing on, see what kind of numbers there. As we've seen the spreading action here in the grain markets the last few days, corn has come under pressure. Beans have been supported in ideas that the USDA will increase the corn acres and decrease soybean acres, looking at some adjustments that are likely to increase corn stocks and decrease some of the soybean stocks. So that's kind of the emotion going in, and it seems like everybody has that same feeling. So once the report comes out, you got to be a little bit careful on and being on the side where everybody is, where they want to start taking profits. So we'd suggest use some risk management strategies there to ride through this information on Friday morning, because it is being hyped quite a bit here going into it. So stick with Allendale's research, and we'll try to help you through that. In the livestock trade, cattle futures are very quiet here overnight. We've seen big jump in fed cattle prices late last week. We expect that we probably will not see any cash cattle trade again until late this week. Cutout values are showing some strength. Last night, or on Tuesday, we were up $2.34 for choice, $2.77 for select. That helps the cutout value some, but it looks like we're finally seeing some strength in beef prices because of the reduced production at the packing plants, and the retail counter is still struggling. It'll be interesting to see if we can maintain this high level of beef prices as we move forward here, because of the demand at the retail counter. Now, export sales are certainly being supportive, and we need to continue to see that in order to, we believe, to maintain these high fed cattle prices. On the pork, cutout values there were down just slightly. The futures in pork are sitting right at some key resistance. The April contract has got resistance right around that 90.75 area. If we could break through that to the upside, we could certainly add a couple more dollars onto the April hog contract very rapidly. So there's some exciting things happening here. A lot of adjusting here before the USDA report. Reasons to stay in touch with Allendale, and you can reach us at 800-262-7538. Don't forget to sign up for these meetings that we've got set up here, one in Carrington, North Dakota, one in Riverside, Iowa. You can go right to our website, sign up, save your seat there, and at absolutely no cost. So we wish you some very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.